My name is Florian Bechmann. I'm the head of R&D department of Concept Laser, and we are located in Lichtenfels in the northern part of Bavaria. The new machine is our vision of the future of additive manufacturing. We see the trend that we need more and more parts output and more production volume in our units. So therefore we set up a new development project with two beta partners which are already customers in the main important markets, the medical industry, aerospace industry and automotive. And we sat together and thought about how needs to be a machine, how needs to look alike if we want to address mass production in the future with additive manufacturing processes. There are several unique properties. So very basic innovation is the modular concept. We have handling stations, process stations and modules that can move in a tunnel in between. That makes the machine concept very flexible to meet the production demands of the customer. So if the production demand increases, it just adds another process station. And the movable transport modules, they have the big benefit, they can also interfere with other technologies, so you can bring the parts to a milling center, you can connect to established storage systems, you can work together with logistics companies who are specialized in such big production facilities, like we know from Airbus, for example. So that is a big benefit. If you have a closer look at the machine, we have also some new unique features, for example the 2-axis coding system, which allows the coder to return to its initial position during the laser is already in operation, which saves a lot of process time in the manufacturing process and increases the productivity of the process. Our aim at Concept Laser is to bring the additive manufacturing process, and hereby we focus on metal technology, bring it to mass production. For some applications we already managed that in the last years, for dental and for medical applications especially, but we are now at the jump to the next level in terms of numbers of parts that are required in the aerospace industry, for example. And here we see limits with the current machines on the market in terms of footprint, in terms of productivity and also in terms of automation, which we want to address with the new machine concept. Yeah, our idea is, from our perspective at Concept Laser, the market has talked too much about it. How do we enlarge the build envelope? How do we enlarge the lasers? What do we have for new features at the machine? Finally, I think that is not the relevant point. Big companies, they want to know how do I set up a production facility? How many investment do I need? How do I manage my production facility without having too much operators, having much automation, having a safe and clean production environment? So that are the driving questions at the moment for us and for the market. And that's also why we want to put the focus not so much on the specific machine, but on the whole concept, how we think of a production facility in the future. We have a new development in the process monitoring area on basis of our established QN melt pool module, which allows real-time monitoring of the melt pool process. And we are now able to correlate the melt pool characteristics to the XYZ position in the build area. So it basically gives you a kind of micro CD scan with every build for free. And that is our approach to fulfill the quality demands of these markets, and also to reduce the post-process quality measures for the customer. There will be a couple of developments on basis of the machine we showed at this show. So in the first step we have a prototype, and it was important for us to give a vision what will be the future. In all the details of the machine we will have a couple of innovations which we will develop during the next year, and they will be presented at the next year's show. For example, around the 2-axis scanner, which gives us a lot of interesting opportunities.